In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and manage opportunities in Odoo CRM. To get started, open the CRM app in Odoo. As soon as it loads, you'll land on the pipeline page. This is the main workspace where your opportunities are organized by stage, making it easy to track progress from first contact all the way to a closed deal. Next, click New in the upper left corner to create a fresh opportunity. Odoo will open a quick create form, which is designed to help you enter the essential details right away without slowing down your workflow. In this form, enter the contact, the opportunity name, the contact email, the contact phone number, and the expected revenue. Try to make the opportunity name clear and recognizable, since that will help you identify it quickly later in the pipeline. Adding accurate contact and revenue information at this stage also improves reporting and follow-up. Once those details are filled in, click Add to create the opportunity immediately in the new stage. This is useful when you want to capture leads quickly and return later to complete the rest of the information. If you want to add more details right away, click the opportunity card after it's created. Or click Edit during creation to open the full opportunity form. In the full form, you can complete or update the customer information, expected revenue, salesperson, sales team, tags, expected closing date, and any other relevant details. The more complete this record is, the easier it becomes for your team to manage the deal efficiently. You can also set the priority of the opportunity using the star icons. This is a simple but helpful way to highlight deals that need immediate attention. As the deal progresses, move the opportunity through the pipeline by dragging and dropping it between stages, such as New, Qualified, Proposition, and Won. Keeping stages updated gives you a more accurate picture of your sales pipeline and helps everyone stay aligned. To make sure nothing is missed, open the opportunity and schedule follow-up activities like calls, emails, meetings, or other next steps. This helps maintain momentum and keeps customer communication organized. You can also use Send Message or Log Note to record communication and internal notes. Messages are helpful for customer-related conversations, while notes are useful for internal updates your team may need later. When you're ready to send an offer, open the opportunity and create a quotation directly from it. This connects your sales activity with the deal record for better visibility. Finally, mark the opportunity as won when the deal is completed, or lost if the customer does not move forward. From the pipeline, you can also add or configure stages to match your sales process. And for performance tracking, go to Reporting to analyze opportunities, Pipeline health, expected revenue, and other CRM metrics.